Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error. This game requires a more recent version of Windows 10 or later in WWE 2K26. First, open Steam, right-click the game, select Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. This will open the game installation folder. Now find the game.exe file, right-click on it, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and make sure that compatibility mode is unchecked. If it is checked, uncheck it, click Apply, and then click OK. If the issue still continues, close Steam completely. Now type Steam in the Windows search box, right-click it, and select Open File Location. Again, right-click the steam.exe file, go to Properties, and open the Compatibility tab. If compatibility mode is enabled here, uncheck the box, then click Apply and OK. Now launch Steam again and start the game. This should fix the error. Thanks for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel.